Good morning children. Welcome to today's EVS class. In today's class, we are going to do the 10th lesson, which is safety first. Okay children, why do we say safety first? Yes, if we are safe, then we are alive and we can lead our life. But if we are not safe and if we get hurt and all, we suffer a lot. Okay, so here comes a lesson on the safety. How you should be safe at your home, on the road, and all the things like where we have to take some measures to keep ourselves safe. So here let us see children, safety means protecting oneself from getting hurt. So what is the meaning of safety? Safety means to protect oneself from getting hurt, to protect ourselves from getting hurt. That is called as safety. So here to be safe we have to follow some rules. So at home now, so see, never talk to strangers. Okay, if somebody comes and knocks at your door, you should not open directly. You should see through the window if you know that person or no, and then open the door and all, because you have to not talk to the strangers, not open the door to the strangers. Okay, do not touch electric gadgets. Yes, when you are at home, please don't touch the electric gadgets. Okay, because you get a shock. Okay, and you have to not play with sharp objects. Yes, see, like knife, blade, switches and wires, matchsticks. So these are not the things that you have to play with. You have to not, because you don't know how to handle them. Only elders know how to handle those things and make use of it. Okay, so you have to not touch those things. And here they are telling us about how we have to be safe in our surroundings and at home. You have to never run on the, see, when you will be in the school children, how many times we tell you all, no, please don't run on the staircase and all, or in the corridor, because you tend to, like, you could fall and get hurt. So we tell you all not to run. Okay, do not leave your bags and toys and all on the floor. See, whenever you are playing, okay, after you finish your play, you should keep all the things back to their place, because the house also will look neat and tidy, and you will not stamp anything. See, by chance you are walking in the house, okay, some toy and all is left out. You will keep the leg on it, and like you might slip and fall down also. So when you are walking, you will get hurt from it. So these all things should be kept aside. Yes, in the school, see, here they have mentioned, never run up or down a staircase. You may stumble or have a bad fall. So you might fall down. Okay, you have to walk slowly and you have to not run. And children, most of you all, when you all sit, you all rock your chair. So you should not do that also, because you might fall down. And when you are walking in the line, you should never push anybody. Okay, yes, while coming in or going out of the class, so many of they all once only all come out, no? So you should not do like that. You should not push each other. Okay, and on the road, you should always walk on the footpath, not in the middle of the road. Okay, you have always the footpath, right, to walk. Children, you should walk on the footpath, and always cross the road at a zebra crossing. Okay, there are some strips at a particular place, right, for crossing. That is the zebra crossing. You have to always cross the road at a zebra crossing. Okay, and when you are crossing a road, you should always hold the hand of your elders, whoever are with you. Okay, and when you are crossing the road, you should see both the sides, whether any vehicle is coming or no, the road is clear, and like the vehicles are far. Have a watch, and then your elders will take you. Like whenever you are also crossing, you should see that you see both the sides and then walk. Okay, see, as here you can see in the picture, they are walking on the zebra crossing. This is white and black strips on the road. Those are called the zebra crossing. Okay, and in a car or a bus, wherever, like where you all sit, in a plane and all, you have to wear your seat belt. Okay, so that you are safe. And when you are playing outside also, see that you all take care of yourself, and you do not see, some they stand on the swings and all. Whenever you climb a slide also, you run and you tend to climb the slide from the opposite side where you slope down. You should not do like that, children. Okay, because you will fall down and get hurt. So you should not stand also on the swing and all. Okay, these are the things And when you go out, you should always have a first aid kit. Okay, first aid kit, where like wherever you go outside with your parents and all, so that time you accidentally if you get some hurt and all, so that the first aid kit will always help you. First aid kit means, kit children, see there will be a bandage, Dettol, scissor and tape and all, where you can just take care of all these things, and you can first take care of these things and you can cure yourself. Like if you have got some small hurts, you can then and there treat yourself. Okay, so always whenever you are going out, please carry a first aid box. Okay, yes children, these are some of the things which I have explained you in brief as to how to be safe. Okay, and how to follow some rules to be safe. So let us learn more in detail in the next video. Thank you children.